Oh my goodness, finally. Nag-start ako kanina around 8 o'clock, 8 o'clock getting ready. And 2 o'clock now, ngayon pa lang ako mag-start. No? Anyway, yeah, so natapos na kahapon yung ating, this is our 6th day. Natapos na yung painting natin sa mga harapan, yung mga cover, no? Now, I decided kasi maganda yung weather, it's best time to paint inside, no? So, yun na yung gagawin natin. So, ito na yung mga gamit natin, kumpleto. Andito, katulad ng mga gamit natin kahapon, hindi naman tayo gagamit ng gusto. And, selyado na rin itong area natin. May mga plastic na, double plastic na lang natin. And, I think that's it. And anyway, I'm wearing our merchant t-shirt. I fired my boss, okay? Available na po ito sa ating YouTube merchant account, no? Kung kayo ay isang entrepreneur at pinard nyo na ang boss nyo, I encourage you to get this kind of shirt na you fired your boss. Flexing lang yan. Anyway, see you guys later.